Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Wizardry Workshop. In this video, we're checking out the Wizarding Trunks bi-monthly box, the Owlery, and this one is all themed around the sweets shop. So we're gonna have like a lot of magical sweets, honeydew-inspired stuff in this box. If you are not familiar with the Wizarding Trunk, they are a bi-monthly subscription and they also have a quarterly special edition subscription. So there are two different boxes that they do. So if you like what you see and if you enjoy my designs, I do a lot of work for them. I have a discount code for you that is Wizardry Workshop, and that will get you 10% off. And that's for your first box in the subscription, or you can even use it to get 10% off their online shop. Let's go ahead and get this thing open. A lot of times I do design the actual boxes. This one, on the other hand, was not designed by me. It is a very good design though, designed by JP Mistletoe. And it has a lot of magical sweets around the edges, things that you might recognize. And it says sweets and treats on the side. And right here we have JP Mistletoe's logo as well as the Wizarding Trunk. Let's see what's inside the box. This I know is the cheat sheet because I designed it. So on the other side we're gonna have the items. I'm gonna set that aside until the box is empty. And there's so much good stuff in here. So let's go for this brown bag first. So these are part of the copper kettle set they've been doing. It's a line of products. It's very similar to the leaky cauldron or actually the hogshead. These are little dessert toothpick type things. Like if you had a tray of desserts, you could use these to like take them from the tray, or you could just have them stuck inside. Or if you make yourself a sandwich and it wants to fall apart, you could stick this right in the top of your sandwich. It is a hogshead on the end of quite pokey, and that is super sharp. If you could hurt yourself on this. Be careful. I'm very protective of you guys. Don't poke yourself. Next, we'll just go ahead and grab another item, and I do know what this is because I designed it. This is the next bookmark in the set of bookmarks that I am designing for the Wizarding Trunk. And these are not your ordinary cardstock bookmarks. No, these are some really cool metal bookmarks, and each one has a charm that fits with the whole theme. So the theme on this one is Transfiguration. Does this really go with magical sweets? Not really, you know. Oh gosh, I just ripped the card. That is disappointing. Why did they glue that on so tight? So I've kind of like doctored this back together, and some of you will remember this book cover that I designed. So these bookmarks are designed to match the book covers that I did for the Wizarding Trunk for the Harry Potter series. This one is the complete guide to Transfiguration. And we've got a little rat tail goblet right here. Let me know what you guys think of this bookmark. And I do happen to have that book cover on hand right here. You can see this is actually one of my favorite book covers that I've designed. I really like it. Bookmark kind of matches that, and the charm can hang down the side. So if you're putting these up on your, bookshelf, you can have these cool charms to display alongside your book covers. Now we'll just reach in for another random thing, and I think another bag. It is another bag. This bag, however, is a nice little teal color which really matches the theme. I like that. And it is a pin. The back says the Wizarding Trunk, and the front I guarantee is going to be a sweet shop, and it is. Very small, hard to make out, but I'm pretty sure I see some little boxes over there that suspiciously look like birdie bots. The Wizarding Trunk gave us a pin banner with different wizarding shops that you can put your pins on top of. It's basically like a map of Diagon Alley or Hogsmeade. But instead of explaining it all to you, I can just show it to you because I have it right here. We have the Shrieking Shack here, the tea shop right here, and now we have the sweets shop. Is it this one? It doesn't look the same as the pin. The other two kind of looked similar. It's gotta be this one with the pink, and that will be its home until I find out that I'm wrong. And I usually don't like collect pins or anything, but this kind of shop pin banner, it's actually been really fun to collect these. Congratulations, Wizarding Trunk, you've actually got me to collect some pins, so thank you. All right, next we'll reach in randomly again, and I feel some bubble wrap, so that's what we're gonna go with. Oh, I think I remember this. Some of the things I remember from the cheat sheet, and I remember this one. This is a magnet, but it's a chocolate frog magnet. I think that's a good idea. It would be really nice to have like 10 of these or something, each in a different like pose, and then you could stick them all over your fridge. Next, we'll go for this. This is something I designed. Candy floss, a tasty treat for happy teeth. So I just wanted this to look like what you might expect in like a vintage candy shop world. And inside the box, I also designed the label. It is basically the same design as the box, just a little bit different. It says candy floss on it. And this is from Bailiwicks. So the Wizarding Trunk has their own kind of like magical universe. Bailiwicks is their magical sweet shop. And I've been doing like all of the Bailiwicks branding and stuff. So this is the Bailiwicks logo, and this is a Bailiwicks product. The floss is black, which is odd. I would probably want it to be pink, but I'm sure pink floss is hard to come by. Here we have a tin. Another design by me. This is Sherbet lemons. Yes, not Sherbet lemons or lemon sherbet. Those are all both incorrect. It's Sherbet lemons. And again, I went for just a vintage candy shop design here. Again, we have Bailiwicks, where every sweet is infused with a touch of magic. We've got a bunch of little cartoon lemon drops here. And on the top, we've got the Sherbet lemons cartoon guy. And then on the bottom, we have the ingredients. Inside the tin is something I did not do, but it's actual lemon candies. So if you're into hard lemon candies, there you go. They smell pretty good. I do like lemon candies. They're not my absolute favorite, but I will eat them, and I will eat these. Let's go for this unmarked cardboard box. Very mysterious. I already know what it is because I can smell it, and it's very strong. But here you go, you can see the foiling here too. It says The Sweet Shop, 100% soy, Incendio candles, I have heard of them, Wicks and Wizards Co. And so we've got like a candy shop themed candle here. Let's see, it's got some glitter in there. And it kind of already smells like candy. It definitely smells like candy. I think it's birthday cake. So it's very pungent, but it does smell good. All right, next we'll go for this box right here. It's got some jelly beans and chocolate frogs and all the other things. These are the same types of things that were on the box design. So JP Mistlecrow definitely designed this box as well. And, ooh, hey, that's actually pretty nice. Oh, that is pretty nice. That's like a cookie jar. It's a small cookie jar, so Girl Scout cookies are very small. And I think JP Mistlecrow also designed this because it has the same designs that were on the box and that box. All right, next we're going for this item. And this box is designed by me. It is Sugar Skulls. We've got different colors on every side. And we've got, again, Bailiwicks, Spelled Sweets, and Charmed Chocolates. And here is the Sugar Skull. And I really like this. This is great quality, very, very nice paint job, very well done. And now we just have a few things left. We've got some paper items that I designed, the Copper Kettle menu. So this is basically what would be the dessert menu, which these are the treats that you would get from the Copper Kettle. So it's not really the sweets shop, but it is desserts from a restaurant. So there you go. Take a look at that and read it if you would like. Here is the back side of it. And then the last thing, recipe cards. So these are actual recipes you can do. I designed them and the Wizarding Trunk supplied the recipes. Chocolate butter icing, buttercream icing on this side. And then on the other side we have vanilla buttercream icing. Pumpkin pasties here. And the main instructions are on the back side, and cauldron cupcakes. These I want to try. So this is everything we got in the box. We always have artwork on the opposite side, but what we want to look at is what's on the other side. This is the cheat sheet. And I'm not going to read through like the whole thing. I'm just going to give credit to the artists who worked on this box where credit is due. So the candy dish, I was correct. It was designed by JP Misselcrow. The candle, of course, was Incendio Candles. The sweets shop pin was designed by JP Misselcrow. And the editor's choice this time is Elisa in Magical World, or maybe Eliza in Magical World. And the next bi-monthly theme is Favorite Wizarding Lessons. I'm going to pick my top 3 favorite items out of this box. I always set my own items aside, the things that I worked on and designed, because I don't want to pick my own stuff. So now we have these items, which I will pick my 3 favorites from. Coming in at number 3 is going to be the Chocolate Frog Magnet. I hope they come out with more that are in different poses and stuff, because I want a collection of these. Coming in at number 2 is the Sugar Skull. It is a very, very cool item. It's going to be really nice to display this on the shelf. And then coming in at number 1 is the Candy Jar. So I just really like this. It's very vintage, very cool, and I'm actually going to get some use out of it. It's a nice usable item, as well as just being good quality and a great design. Great job, JP Misselcrow. Let me know what your top 3 favorites were from this box. If you made it all the way to the end of the video with me, you're a wizard, Harry. Give it a thumbs up down below if you did like this video, and subscribe if you're not subscribed for more Harry Potter unboxings, DIYs, and other magical content like that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.